I am talking about the facelifted 2023 Nissan Altima. Here are the changes. It has a new redesigned V-Motion front grille with the new Nissan logo, and the platinum trim level has been replaced with a new SV VC turbo trim level, and there is a new 12.3-inch touchscreen available on top trim levels, and of course 17-inch 19-inch wheels are available. And other features include 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless phone charging, 8-way power drive seat, upgraded digital gauge cluster, heated front seats, Wi-Fi hotspot, and more standard features. It's powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder producing 188 horsepower or a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder turbo producing 240 horsepower. Power is delivered through a CVT or front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Trim levels are SV, SR, SL, SV, VC, turbo trim level. Prices start from $26,385 up to $36,085. Overall, the Nissan Altima remains a better rival compared to the Subaru Legacy, Outback, and Chevy Malibu. Excellent job by Nissan yet again. Well done.